started this program, it was a very slow movement of Fijians going to Australia. Now, because of the demand and because of our loyalty and ability of the Fijian workers, the Australians are coming back to us. We had almost 20 trainings like this. And the reason why we want all of you to be trained, so that you are aware of the know-how, what you are supposed to do while you are in Australia. Because most of you, this will be the first time when you are going to Australia. Today's training, I'm told, was dedicated to financial literacy. And this is to help all of you to make your plans on how to prioritize, to save your hard-earned money. I don't know how many of you remember, sometime back in Parliament, someone said that he met a particular person in Sabu who came back after this engagement and said to that politician that he hasn't got any money saved. So it's entirely up to you how you use your money. And that's why we have the training program, so that you understand and know how to save your hard-earned money and bring that for your family and for your community. The reason why I'm saying community as well, please make sure this program is also aligned with community works. We are not saying when you come back, give all money to the community. No. Maybe one or two community projects you can assist will be good. Learning how to say no to things that you are not thinking is important. Don't see all those fancy boots and start buying, which is not even important to you. And I must acknowledge the continued support from the ANZ Money-Minded team for their continued support over the last few weeks. Last week, the Australian Foreign Affairs Minister was here at the same place, whereby he made an announcement that there are now plans for the family members to be able to visit all of you while you are engaged under this program. So don't go and tell your husband or your boyfriend or your girlfriend that I'm going tomorrow and you all can come. No, that's just an announcement, and we are working towards that to make reality. Okay? These new opportunities are now being considered due to the good work, as I mentioned earlier on, and efforts of our Fijian workers that are currently in Australia, demonstrating the Fijian brand, dedication, loyalty, esprit, and each other in times of need or during the need. My National Employment Center team are currently working on all those applications that the Fijians applied in early January 2021. Those that had applied before 2021 but missed out due to changes in the contact numbers. So you can imagine the large number of your brothers and sisters who have applied are still waiting for these employment opportunities. But they can also go, provided when you are there, you are focused on what you are supposed to do. Don't spoil the branding. It took us some time to have that branding. So I hope you all will understand what I'm trying to relay and how we can open doors for our brothers and sisters back home. To those of you that are currently in employment locally, please, this is also very important. Now the local employers are also complaining that once you get selected on sport, you go, and one of you, that's why you are laughing. You know what's happening now? As soon as you are selected, you go to your employer and give instant resignation. We are going to bring some policies in place so that they are not affected. At least give them a few weeks of notice. You cannot just go bang on and give them notice. Because all these years they have looked after you, and we need to protect the local employers as well. So I'm just trying to inform all of you and all those who are waiting for this opportunity that this is something that we're going to bring in place so that we don't get complaints from our local employees. Ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, I'd also like to inform all our Fijians, please do not engage with any individuals on this program. I was in Lambasa last week and I was told that there are few individuals who are collecting money from individual Fijians in the name of this program. And we have reported that matter to police. No one is responsible for this program apart from Ministry of Law. And this is under the Bubale partnership on a government-to-government basis. So the agreement was signed in 2015 by our Honorable Prime Minister and the then Prime Minister was there. So please make sure, give this information to your colleagues, your friends, not to give money to any individuals for this program. I'm told there's a huge amount that has been collected by these individuals. And now, police are investigating. So with these few words, once again, thank you so much for your presence. And as I've said, please, when you go there, don't forget about your family members back home. Keep in touch with them, because you will need their blessing every day while you are here. As they say, that this day and time will not come back. It's a golden opportunity for all of you who are present here. And the reason why I come personally for this pre-departure training is to talk to you directly and to let you know what we expect from you. So, ladies and gentlemen, with these few words once again, I also thank the Australian government on behalf of our government for these employment opportunities. And I want to wish you all the very best, and may God bless you. Naka.